Hello and welcome to this video live from the WebSummit, the biggest tech conference in the world. To start with the highlight and to share with you what we have learned during this 1.5 day, the opening night and also the first day. We have been walking around and talking to startups that's maybe can bring to us some freshness, some idea that we can share with you, our mostly Moroccan audience. It's the big theme of this web summit is data. Everyone is talking about data. Yesterday we have been attending a press conference by Brittany Kaiser, the former business development director of the Cambridge Analytica. We attended also a press conference of Paddy Gustav, the CEO and the founder of the Web Summit. But what we can say is that this year, 2019, is not a big tech year. It's very interesting because there is a big difference between the conference last year and the conference this year, because a lot happened in 2017 and 2018. So there were a lot of announcements, a lot of things that have been shared last year about blockchain, cybersecurity, but certainly and surely data. So if you are interested into following the Web Summit, you can follow the hashtag on Twitter because all the people are talking there. So it's the hashtag Web Summit. But in general, from the tour we did, as I said, there is nothing new. I think the conference this year is stagnating. But I believe this is because the AI, the machine learning, the deep tech in general, and the blockchain and whatever is related to the blockchain is starting to be something very normal. So this is why nothing is really new, because as Brad Smith said this morning in his conference, 4 things have changed the future of humanity, and they are related to the computer power, the data, the AI, and the cloud. So this is becoming more something very natural. This is maybe why we don't see anything new. But what we can say also about the Moroccan delegation, we have met some of them. There is only one Moroccan startup exhibition, which is very sad. The Moroccan delegation is very shy, and it's a small group of people coming by their own. We hope in the upcoming years and the upcoming conferences like this, where Moroccan audience will, and the Moroccan startup scene, if it exists, because that's a big question, will have the support, the necessary support to attend this kind of event. We will keep you updated like we did the last year's videos. I can't post live because I am censored by Facebook. So I will try to make some interviews, and I will try also to highlight some of the Moroccan attending this conference. So that's it for the first video. Thank you so much.